If you're serious about losing 30 pounds fast, this plan is non-negotiable. This isn't theory, this isn't fluff, it's the exact step-by-step protocol to burn fat, lower inflammation, and finally break free from the cycle of dieting frustration. Imagine looking in the mirror a few months from now. 30 pounds lighter, more energized, and more confident than you've been in years. That's not just possible, it's predictable if you follow what I'm about to share. So stay tuned. End of this video, you'll have a complete blueprint that could completely change your body and health before the new year. Step 1. Remove the hidden healthy foods blocking fat loss. This may surprise you, but some of the foods you've been told are healthy are actually holding you back. Oats, brown rice, soy, spinach, kale, tomatoes, almonds, peanuts. These are loaded with compounds called plant toxins and anti-nutrients that spike insulin and stall fat burning. Instead, swap them for fat-friendly, low-toxin foods. Replace brown rice with cauliflower rice. Swap almonds for macadamia nuts. Skip spinach and kale, go for arugula and asparagus. Ditch oatmeal and wheat bread, and enjoy eggs and bacon instead. These swaps may feel unusual, but they put your metabolism back on track and flip your body into fat-burning mode. Step 2. Master insulin with time-restricted feeding. There's one hormone that determines whether you store fat or burn fat. That hormone is insulin. When insulin is high, fat burning shuts down. When insulin is low, your body finally taps into stored fat. The fastest way to master insulin, time-restricted feeding, also known as responsible fasting. Here's the exact fasting schedule. Tuesday to Sunday. Eat all meals between 8 a.m. and 2 p.m. an 18-6 schedule. That's 3 meals in 6 hours, then 18 hours where your body burns through sugar reserves and switches to fat. Sunday to Monday, do a 24-hour fast from 2 p.m. Sunday to 2 p.m. Monday, no food, just water, coffee, tea, or electrolytes. During this fast, your body cleans out damaged cells, produces ketones, and burns stubborn belly fat like never before. For bonus results, walk 10,000 steps during that 24-hour fast to accelerate fat burning. Step 3. Cut out toxic fats and replace them with healing fats. Most people are unknowingly consuming rancid fats that cause inflammation and block weight loss. These include canola oil, corn oil, cottonseed oil, soybean oil, safflower oil, sunflower oil, rice, bran oil, grapeseed oil, and even low-quality fish oil. Swap them for healthy metabolism-boosting fats: butter, ghee, beef tallow, duck fat, coconut oil, avocado oil, olive oil. These fats protect your cells, lower insulin, and keep you feeling full for hours. Step 4. Ditch the fake foods. Eliminate grains, soy, and processed foods. Replace almond milk with unsweetened macadamia or coconut milk. Get rid of sugar, agave, and chemical sweeteners like Splenda. Instead, use natural sweeteners like monk fruit, stevia, erythritol, or allulose. This keeps cravings low while protecting your metabolism. Step 5. Add fat loss accelerators. Now that you've removed the blockers, let's add some accelerators. Start with fat-burning coffee. The right kind of coffee, organic, medium roast, high in chlorogenic acid, helps detox the liver, lower bad cholesterol, and burn fat. You can also boost results with proven natural compounds. African mango for waist fat. Raspberry ketones to boost adiponectin, a fat-burning hormone. L-carnitine to fuel your mitochondria. Green tea extract for metabolism. Forskolin extract for hunger balance. These aren't mandatory, but they accelerate results. Step 6. Fix your sleep for maximum fat loss. Sleep is where fat loss happens. Without quality deep sleep, you'll spin your wheels no matter how your diet is at top. Drink banana peel tea before bed. It relaxes you without sugar. Stop eating 3 hours before sleep easy with this fasting plan. Keep your room cool around 65 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit. Make it dark with blackout curtains or a sleep mask. Try mouth tape to improve breathing and boost nitric oxide. When sleep improves, cortisol lowers, insulin balances, and stubborn fat finally melts away. Step 7. Your nutrition blueprint. During your eating window, focus on protein. 1 gram per pound of your ideal body weight. Healthy fats from the approved list. Carbs under 100 grams total from low toxin sources like squash, berries, or goat dairy. This balance keeps insulin low, metabolism high, and energy stable all day long. If you follow this plan, your body will have no choice but to burn fat. The swaps, the fasting, the sleep, they work together to transform your metabolism. 30 pounds gone before the new year isn't just a dream, it's a reality waiting for you to claim it. So here's your challenge. Start today. Try this plan for just 1 week and watch what happens. Your clothes will fit differently.